in the jail. You saw
Look, this is the car. Look, this is the car.
Oh, what's
What
that?
is it?
Swimsuit. Yeah.
Nice.
You look like a highlighter.
That's a nice one.
You like swimsuits?
Hey!
That's cute.
Let's see.
Okay.
What's your?
Your princess socks.
Nice.
There's, we can't see you.
Aries, I can see your butt.
Okay, Mommy, this is for the house.
Okay.
You gotta open.
Okay.
My t-shirt.
They're almost done. Anyway.
Mario underwear.
Go ahead, Alice. You got two more.
You gonna open the next one?
Oh, but this is my name, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Is your name Alice? It better be.
Alice McGillicuddy.
A little bit small right now.
It's a little bit small.
Ooh, nice.
Two shoes.
Oh
How many
wow.
shoes you want? One?
Look like highlighter.
Imagine. Aw, those are cute.
I'm gonna try this on.
Please.
Yeah, you can match it.
Nice.
Yeah, here's
Ed's are putting them on.
Where's the sock?
Right there.
And how I open it?
Well, wait a minute. I only have two hands, and right now they're untying this mess.
Who made the mess?
Oh, you
Alice
have
made the
to
mess?
button. What? You have to push a button.
Yeah, when you stomp.
Yeah.
Now I left prices and